Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, I know many of you are already mapping out your shopping strategies. You're probably thinking about where to find the best deals, especially with Thanksgiving and Black Friday approaching fast. If your plans include hitting up stores like Maxx, Marshalls, or HomeGoods, you're going to want to listen up, because there is a major change you need to know about. That could totally throw a wrench in your plans. You heard that right. We're talking about a complete store blackout for some of your favorite retailers. All Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods locations are set to temporarily shut down. That's over 3,400 stores across the country, all closing their doors on the same day. And it's not just them. Their sister brands, HomeSense and Sierra, will also be closing. So, what's going on? Is this some kind of major corporate issue? No, it's actually for a really great reason. All of these stores, which are part of the TJX company's family, will be closed on Thanksgiving Day this year. That falls on Thursday, November 28th. The company is closing to give their employees a well-deserved day off to spend with their families and loved ones. A representative for TJX stated, "We consider ourselves an associate-friendly company. We are pleased to give our associates time to enjoy Thanksgiving with family and friends, and honestly, I think that's fantastic. It's a move that more and more retailers are adopting. In fact, this trend of closing on Thanksgiving isn't unique to the TJX brands. A whole host of major retailers have decided to give their employees a holiday off. We're talking about giants like Target and Walmart, who will also be completely shut down on Thanksgiving Day. The list goes on and includes stores like Kohl's, JCPenney, Best Buy, Costco, the Home Depot, Lowe's, and even pet stores like Petco and PetSmart. Specialty stores like Sephora, Ulta, and Barnes & Noble are also on the closed list. So if you are planning a post-turkey shopping spree at any of these places, you need to adjust your schedule. This wasn't always the case, though. Do you remember the days of Gray Thursday, when Black Friday sales would creep into Thanksgiving evening, pulling people away from their dinner tables? Well, that seems to be a thing of the past for many companies. The shift really gained momentum back in 2020. Target, for example, closed on Thanksgiving for the first time that year. And after seeing the positive impact it had on their team, their CEO, Brian Cornell, decided to make it a permanent policy. He mentioned how much employees appreciated having that time with their families, and it was an easy decision to make it official. It seems like a lot of other companies are following that lead, prioritizing employee well-being over an extra few hours of sales. So, with all these major players closed, what do you do if you have a last-minute Thanksgiving emergency? You forgot the cranberry sauce, or you suddenly realize you don't have enough plates for everyone. Don't panic. You won't be completely out of luck. Several grocery stores will be open, although likely with adjusted hours. Stores like Kroger, Whole Foods, H-E-B, and Albertsons are expected to be open to save the day for any last-minute meal essentials. It is always a good idea to call your local store ahead of time, just to confirm their specific holiday hours. And it's not just grocery stores. If you need some other small, non-food items, discount chains like Dollar General are typically open on Thanksgiving. And for those of you traveling to see family, convenience stores like Wawa and Casey's will be operational so you can grab gas, coffee, and snacks for the road. So, while the big box stores are taking a break, you still have options for those true last-minute necessities. It just means you'll have to save your major bargain hunting for the next day. And that brings us to the biggest shopping day of the year, Black Friday. While Thanksgiving Day is a no-go for Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods, they will be back in action and ready for business on Black Friday. And you know what that means. Deals, deals, and more deals. Black Friday is notoriously the busiest shopping day of the year, and these stores are known for their treasure hunt atmosphere. Imagine that energy, but amplified for the holiday rush to handle the crowds. Many of these stores will likely have extended or adjusted hours for Black Friday. My best advice for you is to be prepared. A few days before Thanksgiving, hop online and use a store locator tool on the Maxx, Marshalls, or HomeGoods websites. You can find your nearest location and, most importantly, their specific hours for Black Friday. I'd even recommend giving them a quick call just to be absolutely sure. The last thing you want is to show up ready to shop, only to find out you're an hour too early or, even worse, an hour too late and missed all the best finds. A little bit of planning can make your Black Friday experience so much smoother and more successful. So, to recap, Maxx, Marshalls, HomeGoods, and a long list of other major retailers will be closed on Thanksgiving Day, November 28th It's a great move to support employees, but it means you need to plan your shopping accordingly. If you need last-minute items on Thanksgiving, check your local grocery and convenience stores for their holiday hours and get ready. Because on Black Friday, the doors will be wide open and the hunt for amazing deals will be on. Make sure to check those store hours in advance so you can be first in line for all the holiday treasures. I hope this helps you plan your holiday shopping. It's great to see companies prioritizing family time. Let me know in the comments what your Black Friday plans are. Are you an early bird or do you prefer to shop online? Thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and updates. Happy holidays and happy shopping!